In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the WordPress version without logging in. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to verify the version of a WordPress site, maybe for compatibility reasons if you're considering a plugin or theme, or simply out of curiosity. Knowing the version can give you insights into what features the site supports or any security vulnerabilities it may have based on version history. Luckily, this can be done quite effortlessly, and today I'll walk you through the steps to do just that, all without needing to access the WordPress dashboard. First things first, let's hop onto your journey with the simplest of tools, your web browser. It doesn't matter much which one you use, be it Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other, your preference is king here. So go ahead and open up your browser. This is your gateway to accessing a wealth of information, and today it will help us in uncovering the WordPress version of a particular site. Once you have your browser open, the next step is to harness the power of search engines to find what we're looking for. There are several ways to get the information about the current WordPress version, but one of the most straightforward methods is to check directly from WordPress's sources or tech websites that track these updates. In the search bar of your browser, you're going to type in WordPress current version. This search query is a simple yet effective way to find out the most recent version of WordPress. Why do we need this information, you ask? Well, knowing the latest version allows you to compare it with the version used by the site you're interested in. This can be particularly useful for developers, website owners, or even casual users who are ensuring that a site is up to date for security and functionality reasons. Upon hitting enter, you'll be greeted with a plethora of results. Your focus here should be on looking for a reliable source. Generally, results that pop up at the top can be from WordPress's own website, or reputable tech news outlets and forums that keep track of software updates. Occasionally you might also find this information in the website footers of WordPress theme developers or plugin websites, as they often update their users on compatibility matters with the latest WordPress version. Next, you'll likely encounter several sources in your search results. Click on the one that appears most trustworthy and updated. Often, the most accurate information will come directly from the WordPress official site or notable tech news websites. They frequently update their content to reflect the latest versions and additional helpful information that could be pertinent to your search. By now, you've probably pinpointed the current version of WordPress, and you are equipped with the knowledge to compare this version with the one used by the site of interest. It's worth noting here that understanding the way WordPress versions are numbered can give you further insight. Major releases of WordPress are numbered with two sequences, like 5.4, 5.5, etc., with occasional minor security and maintenance releases denoted by a third sequence, such as 5, 4.1 or 5, 5.2. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of the current WordPress version, you might want to take a step further in your quest for information. Whether it's for compatibility checking, security considerations, or pure curiosity, knowing how a specific website stacks up against the most recent version can be remarkably useful. In closing, I hope this guide has been beneficial in helping you understand how to check the WordPress version without logging in. It's a simple process that can yield valuable information, especially in a digital world where staying updated is not just beneficial, but often necessary for security and performance reasons. Remember, while this method can give you a snapshot of the WordPress landscape, always respect privacy and security guidelines when dealing with websites that are not your own. There you have it, a straightforward and easy to follow guide to finding out the current version of WordPress without needing to access the admin dashboard. Whether you're a website owner, a developer, or just someone interested in WordPress, this is a handy trick to have up your sleeve. Remember to use this information ethically and responsibly. Happy browsing, and here's to harnessing the power of the internet to fuel your curiosity and digital endeavors.